Well, welcome back. Have you ever woke up, say, Monday morning, for us on GMAS, Tuesday morning, Wednesday morning, Thursday morning, and you felt like your brain was in a fog? Don't worry, we have solutions. We're joined by Dr. Rob Bird with us for some simple solutions, stuff you can eat that gives you a nice little pick-me-up.
Yeah, we're going to be talking about two separate things today. We're talking about the pick-me-up part of brain function, and then how to not get some of those medical conditions as we age, kind of keep them at bay for a little while longer with some of these foods and some of the constituents in the foods.
All right, I like that. Where do we start?
So over here on this side, we have curcumin. Now, either you're going to eat a lot of curry to get the curcumin, or you can supplement with it. And that's great for as an anti-inflammatory for the brain, and also to help decrease the formation of plaques in the neurons, which has led to Alzheimer's disease.
Okay, all right, so good stuff, essential, and is most importantly, you can take it in pill form.
Exactly, and that's unless you eat a lot of curry.
All right, let's go to the salmon here.
So salmon is good for so many things. Now the component we're talking about is called DHA, and that's good for learning ability. It's also the fat that the brain wants us to consume the most.
All right.
The brain is made up of about 60% fat, and this is the one that it likes the most.
And you know what? Salmon seems to be a cure-all for a lot of things. Not necessarily a cure-all, but it helps.
Yes, and it's also an anti-inflammatory.
We like that. Okay, this is the most important thing for a lot of GMAS folks. They go to coffee. I don't drink it myself, but I see the difference when they have it and when they don't.
More energetic, yes. So there's two competing neurotransmitters in the brain, and we have caffeine and we have another one called adenosine. Adenosine is what tells our brain to rest, to take a break, take a nap. Well, caffeine fits in the same receptor site and actually is the stimulant part of it that helps us feel awake and feel more alert.
All right, and does that help long term though?
It does not help long term. It's just temporary.
Just a short little
exactly.
boost. What about blueberries?
Blueberries are packed full of antioxidants. Studies have shown that just a couple of cups of blueberries will help you stay alert for a couple of hours.
Wow, all right. So if I were to wake up in the morning, take a couple cups, I'd be good to go.
If you're struggling, try some blueberries.
How about some grapes?
Grapes, again, have the antioxidant power that blueberries have, slightly different components. We've heard of resveratrol, we've heard of the polyphenols, and those are great for brain circulation, getting the blood flow back to the brain.
I gotta have that. Blood flow makes everything. What about eggs? There's always the debate. Are eggs good for you? Are they not good for you? What do you say, Doc?
I say both. In moderation, right?
Okay.
So choline is a component of eggs that's super important for the formation of acetylcholine, which is a very prominent neurotransmitter in the brain. Very big when for fetal development also. So mothers who are pregnant who are taking supplements, make sure they have choline in them.
I like that. Lastly, almonds.
Okay, vitamin E. Vitamin E is packed in almonds. So 1 cup of almonds per day is going to help us with memory. It's going to help us with decreasing mental decline.
Okay.
Okay, so it's going to keep us alert. It's going to keep us functioning properly and our brain working the best that it can.
Great information. Pick one of these. They will all help. That's great. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Always great to see you. We'll be right back with more Good Morning Arizona. Some more blueberries here.